Hello friends, in this one I'm going to show you how you carrier unlock the Alcatel 1X model number 1X, and it's from Metro PCS, and this phone has the Metro unlock app, so it's very easy to do. You just need to power off the phone and plug it in off when the tool says to do that. Okay, the tool we're going to use is Furious Gold OTS Smart. Okay, so let's move to it. All right, on the tool you have the screen. You type the model number, which is 5059Z. Then you tick on remove sim lock tab, and then on the you press on the connect button. The tool will ask for the serial number of the phone. You can get it going to settings about phone and then serial number, or settings about phone status and then device serial number. I already have it, so I'm just copying it from a notepad that I have it already right in there. Okay, so you copy your serial number and then you paste it here on the OTS Smart. I already did that, and then you plug the phone when the tool says to. Okay, the process is starting. This unlocks literally takes like 2 seconds. Alright, that's it. The phone is unlocked, folks. It's really fast and easy. You can see here the results, and now I'm starting up the phone. I'm making a call. This is the serial number that I have for the phone. Okay, you can see here Claro is a carrier from my country and the phone is completely unlocked. That's it guys, until the next one. Please subscribe and comment and like our videos, and let us know what other videos you like to see. Goodbye.